So our people say that if you eat alone, you will die alone. It is difficult to share one of little, that's a fact. But if you can share one of little, anytime you're in trouble, people will help you.
Absolutely.
This is principles.
Welcome to See You Abroad, where I'm captivating your attention with real travel moments, the people, places, and experiences exactly as I live them. Here, you don't just watch me see the world, you experience it with me. Every step, every turn through my eyes. So if you're ready, come with me. See ya!
So this is the Aburi Botanical Garden.
Yeah, I kept seeing all the pictures on this road with people, yeah.
So you'll be touring and come to end here.
Okay.
So you get all these views.
Mm-hmm. Oh, wow. You said like over 1,000?
Yeah, 500 species.
Oh, wow.
The main purpose of the gardens includes horticulture training, scientific research, plant multiplications, environmental education, and then managing natural reserves.
Okay.
That is the main activities of this botanic garden.
Wow.
So we have these trees that were brought from Central America. You see,
Mm.
these are cedar trees. Originates from Central America
Okay.
with a native of South America.
Okay.
South
Okay.
America.
Uh-huh. Yep.
So 1895 they were planted. 130 years old.
Oh,
Yes,
wow.
130 years old. Cedar is very good for furniture, right? Cedar. Very good
Mm-hmm.
for
Yep.
furniture. So we have this parasite growing on top. Parasite. It's a parasite. It's a vine. We call it Strangler Ficus tree. It can't live on its own. So it grows from the top down to the bottom, upside down. It's feeding on the cedar tree. Takes nutrient water from this. What that means is that the cedar is going to die and the parasite becomes a tree. That is very bad. There are a lot of people that behave like this. They're suckers. That's why we must be careful the kind of friends we work with. You understand that? Very bad trees. Yes. Very, very bad. Cedar is very good. We used to make garden chairs. We used to roofing of houses. We used to build boats because of its long resistance of decay. You understand that? Then also we used to do plywood, like
Oh, yes.
ceiling of houses.
Yep.
Yeah.
Yep.
It's a very nice cedar tree. What is happening is that the cedar is rotting and it's falling out. Very soon everything is going to come out and inside be hollow. Hope you understand that.
Yes.
Mhm.
Oh, wow. That's crazy.
Yeah. So that's what I'm going to say the third place. So you're going to walk
Wow.
inside and you look up. You understand?
Yeah.
These are very bad trees. What I hate is that you are hiding what you have and you're coming to take my own. That's wickedness. This is shea butter tree. You know shea butter?
Yes.
The tree you get the shea butter from.
Oh.
Yeah, the tree produces edible fruit, very sweet. And the seed that has been processed to get the oil, it has to go through a lot of process to get the oil.
Ah.
We use shea butter to prepare food, so you're aware of that. We cook with it.
I didn't. When you said it was sweet, I was like, I've never tasted it before.
No, the shea butter itself, we cook with it. You eat to prepare food. And the fruit
Oh,
is edible, like mango.
it never knew.
But we cook with oil.
Never knew. Wow.
So this is Ackee. Have you heard of
Ackee.
Ackee?
No, I don't think so.
I saw this in Jamaica.
Oh, like Ackee and sawfish?
Ackee and sawfish.
Okay.
I know you should know this. Yeah, so this is tree. It's a native to West Africa and was later introduced to Jamaica.
Okay.
That's some fruit, Ackee
Ah.
and saltfish.
Okay. Yeah.
Ackee and saltfish.
Interesting.
Now this is the parasite of ground. What you see is coming is the parasite. It took 30 years to squeeze the host and kill it. 30 years. From 1906 to 1936, it successfully strangled the host. 30 years solid. So people climb from inside up to the top, So let's walk inside and look up.
Wow. That is insane. We are inside the tree.
Yes. See how it is.
Wow.
Mm-hmm.
Oh my goodness.
All the way up to the top.
That is crazy.
You see? Yeah.
Wow. I'm like so shocked. This is crazy.
Yeah. Okay.
Hello?
Yeah. Come on.
Yeah, I'll let you go.
So all this is a parasite.
That is crazy.
How would you just get someone to stranded the person to death? They
Right.
become the main tree.
And then you become the tree.
That is how it is. That's the final result. So the actual tree now is the whole inside. It is dead and gone.
Wow.
The landlord is gone.
Yeah.
The squatter become the one of the house. Good, 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 good.
Wow. Are these just like regular palm trees or like special?
These are royal palm trees.
Royal. Okay. But how do they get so tall?
Florida. That's how they grow. Florida palm trees, 1895.
They're from Florida?
Royal palm trees, yeah.
Oh.
That's very, very good.
Oh, wow.
Jackfruit?
Jackfruit, yes.
Jackfruit is good for vegetarians. Meat
Yes.
substitute.
Yep.
So Jamaicans, India, Chinese, Lebanese eat it a lot.
Mm-hmm.
If you cut it open and you're able to eat 10 to 12 balls, you cannot eat again for the next 12 hours. You know, it fills up the stomach.
It does, yeah.
Jackfruit is a rich source of vitamin B complex.
Mm.
It lowers high blood pressure.
Yep.
It fights cancer, asthma, and anemia. You can see the fruit.
Mm-hmm.
That's how inside look like.
Yes.
So that the big one is
Yep.
mature. Yeah, it's big, eh?
Yeah.
It falls in your head.
Right, yeah. Don't want that to happen.
It's trouble. Yeah. Jackfruit. Jamaicans love it.
Yes. I made like jackfruit tacos before. Yeah.
Mm.
Yeah, it was good.
More seed in the fruit.
Mm.
Many years ago, malaria drugs was made from this chloroquine. Have you heard of that? Chloroquine, the tablet
Okay, yes.
for
Uh-huh.
malaria was made from this. The seed is good for stomach ache. The leaves is used to treat malaria. Anything that is bitter, as long as it's not poison, is good for your body.
Okay.
So our people boil this and they drink when you have malaria. Now, amazing thing is this: when a woman gives birth in our place, she's supposed to breastfeed for 3 years maximum.
3, okay.
If it's up to 3 years and the child wants milk, the women cut the fruit and rub the breast to make it better for the kids. You know, boys are stubborn. They'll go out to play ball, still come back home to drink milk. That's abomination. So they use this to win them. Yeah. So this is bitter. When you bite the leaf, you can't eat for the whole day. It is very, very bitter. You understand?
Oh.
Very, very bitter.
Oh, wow.
Donald Trump talked about this tree 2020. He said
Oh,
it was used for COVID treatment. That man.
Oh,
So
goodness.
people are coming here. Yeah?
I can't.
You refer him to that man. You know what? There is. Oh, this one, the liquid is not there. Yes, there used to be. When you cut it, there will be liquid. I don't know what they said. Frankincense gold amen.
Mm.
Yeah,
Oh,
so
yeah.
Roman Catholic churches use this a lot, you know.
Mm.
They burn a lot of incense in their churches. You can also burn this in your home when you had bad dreams in the night.
Oh.
Yes, this was what they used. They went and presented to Jesus Christ when he was born.
Mm.
They went with frankincense, gold, and myrrh, those 3 wise men. Yes, so this is the tree. So this is just the liquid. The incense is the liquid, the sap.
Okay.
And the oil comes from the seed.
Ah,
So
okay.
this is also good for timber. They used to make furniture.
Oh,
Hardwood, yeah.
I didn't know
Very
that.
hardwood.
Oh, wow.
So we have termite hill. You know termite? Termite.
Yes.
is a termite, very, very big.
Yeah.
Queen mother is big like this.
Oh.
Underground.
I didn't know they grew that big.
Yeah, that's what we call queen mother.
Right.
It has to lay eggs every day.
Ah,
So that's the only one that is big.
okay,
It just
okay.
keeps multiplying every day.
Mm.
So you need to get the mother before the rest will run away.
Wow.
That's the best way to get rid of termite.
Yeah.
You destroy the whole of that, take down, get it out, then the rest will run away. Wherever they go, they will get another queen. Yes. I don't know how they do the elections. Yes. They have to elect leader.
Right.
This is what we call monkey pot.
Okay.
You see, when you look up, you can see a lot of empty pot hanging upside down on this tree.
Okay.
Can you see the pot?
You saw on this
No,
one?
no, no.
On which one?
Look at it.
Oh, okay.
see
Yes,
that?
yes. I see
So
him.
this is the tree from Brazil. The tree bears
Oh.
fruit in the form of a pot, and it's hanging upside down, as you see up there.
Okay.
Just not in the pot that we eat called Brasilia nut. Brazil nut.
Oh, yes.
Brazilian
Uh-huh.
nut is very expensive, very expensive. what happens is this: when the pot gets matured like this, the lid, see the bottom, becomes detached and the knot falls out. So when monkeys climb up to it, the knot, they put the head inside. The head gets stuck. That's how they die up there.
Oh no.
Yeah, monkeys are smart. Very, very smart monkey. But when it comes to food,
Yeah.
very stupid when it comes to food. They don't like to give, they like to take. I've never seen monkey give a banana to another one.
Oh no,
They
no.
don't do that, I agree.
Yeah.
When they put the head in the pot, feed the knot, the jaw becomes big. They pack everything here. So instead of to spit it out and be able to release the head, monkey prefer to die in the pot. You see that? Than to let it go. It is difficult for monkey to let it go. Very difficult. Let go of something they like. So our people say that if you eat alone, you will die alone. It is difficult to share when I'm little, that's a fact. But if you can share when I'm little, anytime you're in trouble, people will help you.
Absolutely.
This is principles, but monkeys don't know this. That's why they're shameful there. Yes, very shameful.
Yeah. Wow.
You eat alone, you die alone.
So,
Monkey food. Alright.
wow.
Small ones on the ground. So this tree was planted on the 3rd March 1924. That's 101 years old. 101.
Wow.
The tree provides. So look at it. So you only need a roof to cover this place, and you live inside the home.
Yeah.
You see, the white people say that Africans live on trees. Have you heard of this?
Wow. Yeah.
Yes, look at the fruit.
Okay.
This is the original breast. It's a lot of milk. Our mothers has this kind of breast. You know, our women carry their babies at the back, you know, and the breast is long like this, so they lift it and give to the child at the back, you know, throw it to the child. This is Christmas tree planted by late President Rawlings, Flight Lieutenant.
Oh wow.
He's the longest serving head of state from 1981 to 2000. His father is a Scottish man and the mother is a Ghanaian. And they were laying the palm leaves in front of the donkey, singing the song Hosanna is the highest into Jerusalem. This was the type. So we have the mother, we have the son. The mother fell from that side on the ground. It was very little, refused to die, then continued to crawl on the ground. Then we have the opposite again.
Wow.
Jesus never remained in the grave. He has risen from the dead. Jesus
Wow.
Christ. Yeah. 174 meters stretching from the main entrance up to the main car park.
Wow.
Yes. 130-year-old palms.
Oh, okay.
Royal palms too, from Florida.